everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing okay. Today I've got another I Heart Revolution 2022 Christmas gift set for you. This is the Peach Party makeup kit and it looks absolutely adorable. I only have a couple of things from the Peach range and when I saw this I was like, everything is in here. So that was amazing. It's even got the Tasty Peach palette in here, which I thought was crazy. So I'm very excited to unbox this. If you like I Heart Revolution or Christmas gift set unboxings, then please subscribe. I've already uploaded a couple and there's plenty more to come, so let's begin. This is what the box looks like on the I Heart Revolution Peach Party makeup kit gift set. It's absolutely beautiful. It's got the products listed down the side as well, so you can see a little sneak peek there, and everything in here, honestly, I can't believe they've put this together. It's absolutely beautiful. I'm not going to quote a price for this one because I know what they do is they change the prices, so I will leave it linked below if it's still available. As with the other gift sets, inside you just get all of the products wrapped in this protective packaging, and then when you take it out they're all like this. I don't know if I can actually hold all these products, but I'm going to try. There's 7 products in this box and honestly, just look at that. Just look at them, they're so pretty. What I was saying in my last video is that I Heart Revolution appear to be putting collections together with gift sets for Christmas of their classic products, and I love it. I'm here for it. You know what, it smells of peaches, this whole box, I can smell it. The first item I've picked out is this peach blusher. I haven't actually tried one of these before. I think I have had the strawberry one in the past and it was really lovely. The tone of the peach shade there is actually reminding me of the NARS Orgasm blusher, so I'm very excited about that. That's what it looks like when you open the box. It's a single pan like this and it's got really nice packaging actually, and look at that. That's absolutely beautiful. I love it. I'm just going to do a little swatch for you. Wow, 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 wow. I will be doing a testing video with these products as well. And it smells of peaches. This one's called a Soft Shimmer Blusher and it's in the shade Peach. I absolutely love it. I think this is a really good way to start the gift. Imagine opening this on Christmas. This would be so exciting. Even if it's not Christmas, this is just a great present in general. That was the blusher. The next item in here used to be my absolute favourite, so I'm very excited it's reintroduced me. It's the I Heart Revolution Fixing Spray in the scent Peaches and Cream. I absolutely adored this before I found Urban Decay. It was so beautiful. It smells amazing. It smells so nice. I love that. So it says it's a makeup fixing spray. I've used this plenty of times and can vouch for the fact that it's absolutely lovely, and it's a really small size as well, so it's really good for your work bag, and I'm very excited to have that. The next thing in the gift set is a fizzer. So I haven't had a bath fizzer before in the peach scent, but it's just a little chocolate bar peach bar bath fizzer and a really nice addition to the box. I don't think I've opened a gift set yet apart from the cookie tin and the hamper actually that had a bath fizzer in it, so this is a really nice addition. And these are also good if you break them in half as well, so you can get more than one bath out of this. I can just smell peaches. The next product is a lip product. So I was actually talking to my friend about this today. It's the Tasty Peach Sweet Peach Lip Oil. So that's what the box looks like, and a really nice small product there, so it would be perfect for your handbag or your makeup bag. This one looks so cute. It's got really nice sort of frosted glass packaging. I really love that. So this is the little peachy lip oil and it's a really nice little size. I'm going to open it up and just see. That smells so nice. I've got the avocado one like this, but I can imagine the peach one is just going to be out of this world because I actually like the smell of peach. But that is adorable. So this is just a little lip oil. Perfect addition to this box. I know this might sound silly, but I'm just loving that everything's themed peach. I think that's so nice. The next item I've got is also a lip item. So this is a Tasty Peach Soft Peach Liquid Lipstick. So we've actually got a lipstick in this one as well. For those of you who don't know, I have unboxed several of the other I Heart Revolution Christmas 2022 gift sets, so they will be up on my channel soon if they're not already. Let's have a look, and I haven't had a lipstick in them yet, I don't think. We did have a shimmer gloss actually. This one says it's in the shade Juice. It's in the really nice frosted sort of plasticky packaging, which I think is so smart. And then I'm gonna do a little swatch for you now. So this is what the applicator looks like. Whoa. I was not expecting that. I know this is a peach gift set, but whoa. So we'll just do a little swatch on the back of my hand. That is a very bold colour. Whoa. That's what the lipstick looks like. Actually, now the camera is sort of adjusted, I think that's really pretty. You know, looking at that now up close, I think that's absolutely stunning. And this does make me think it smells of peaches as well, which is also very exciting. So that was the liquid lipstick. This next item is a highlighter. So looking at this, we've got pretty much a full face here. This is the highlighter and it's in the shade Tasty Peach. I think this is one of their 3D highlighters, which was amazing. I had the strawberry one. I think it is, you know. It is. That's amazing. So this is what the box looks like. And I like how it's got the little label on, like sort of fruit does in the shop. That's cute. And it's just a little cardboard box packaging. And then inside it looks like this. Oh my goodness, look at that. It is so pretty. I've got so many highlighters now. I don't know what to do with myself. I'll just do a swatch for you. Whoa, that's my kind of thing. I think this smells of peaches as well. I may just be hallucinating now, but that's so nice. As I said, I will be doing a testing video with this stuff, so I'm very excited for that. The last item, and probably the most exciting in this iHeart Revolution Peach Party gift set, is the Tasty Peach palette. The quality of the product in the Tasty Palettes collection is absolutely amazing, so I'm very excited to see this. And I can see some pink shades on the back, which is very exciting. And purple, I didn't expect to see that in a peach palette, but this is what the box looks like. Really nice. This is what the palette looks like up close. So with the Tasty collection, it does have sort of a silicone embossed image on there, and it's 3-dimensional so you can feel it, and it's just really nice. I just love the colour of this collection. It's going to look so nice in my little trolley. I'm going to open it now. No, my goodness, I did not expect it to look like this. So in the palette we've got a lovely mirror at the top as normal. Look at those colours. I can't believe these colours. I can't believe the colour theme in this is absolutely beautiful. There's so many purples and pinks in there, and oh, that one up there, the bright yellow one, I can't believe this. I fully expected it to be an orange palette, but it's not. It's just got everything. Look at those up close. It's just, oh, I'm so excited. And look at Princess. Okay, I'm very excited to do a testing video with this. As I said, I will be doing a testing video with the Tasty Peach palette, and looking at these, I'm so excited. That was everything in the Peach Party gift set by iHeart Revolution. I'm just going to do a recap of everything because there were so many amazing products in here. We had the Peach Bath Fizzer, the Peach Blusher, the liquid lipstick in the shade Juice, the Tasty Peach Lip Oil, the Peaches and Cream Fixing Spray, the Tasty Peach Highlighter, and then finally the Tasty Peach Eyeshadow Palette. And I think this looks like it's going to be one of my favourite all-time palettes by iHeart Revolution. It's absolutely beautiful. And that was everything. I can't even hold it all properly because there's so much in here. I'm definitely looking forward to playing with this makeup and putting some content out there for you. If you know anyone who loves makeup or iHeart Revolution, they are going to love this gift set. It's full of everything. There's so many things in here. You've got bath products, face products, makeup, lipstick. There's just everything. I'm so excited. As I said, I have got plenty more of the iHeart Revolution gift sets, so they will be uploaded if they're not uploaded already. And I will be keeping an eye out for gift sets in general, just makeup things that I love really and think you'll like as well. So if you want to see more of those, then please subscribe. I will link any more that I've done previously from iHeart Revolution below this year, just so you can see the collection. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more, you can follow me on Instagram. That's at Zoey Glitter, Zoey with a Y, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!